MJX Hyper-Go RC Car Parts Remote Control Car H16H 16207 16208 16209 16210 Modified Accessories Differential Shock Absorber Tire. MJX Hyper-Go RC Car Parts, a review. The MJX Hyper-Go RC car is a popular choice for RC enthusiasts of all ages. It's fast, durable, and easy to control, making it a great option for beginners or experienced racers alike. One of the things that makes the MJX Hyper-Go RC car so special is its wide range of compatible parts. This means that you can customize your car to suit your own needs and preferences. Whether you're looking for